Hello friends, today we are going to perform a group presentation in front of you which will be based on the topic decrease of pollution in the world after lockdown. This is our ISC2 component for the subject communication and personality development. So first I want to introduce my friends, our group members: Arya Bele, roll number C04, Rushikesh Gaikwad, roll number C14, Ojas Jain, roll number C27, Rajwardhan Kamble, roll number C30, and Ranu Lunia, roll number C40. So I will start with my presentation. First, introduction. The report of decrease of pollution in the world after lockdown. This is means due to the lockdown, the pollution in our country and the many places in the world has been reduced due to rapid increase in the causes of the corona and COVID-19. The only one and the only one prevention to cure this disease was to put for the lockdown and to reduce the gathering of the people at one place. So the government has taken such decisions. Now I will tell you how the coronavirus or COVID-19 spreads. It spreads through the droplets of the saliva when we cough or when we sneeze. So we should avoid the gathering of the people, and the outbreak of the corona was started from the market of the Wuhan, which is present in the city of China. The only way to prevent, now some precautions, the only way to prevent this virus is lockdown, avoiding the crowded places which can stop the spreads. We have to wash our hands after 5 to 6 minutes. We should use tissue or handkerchief while coughing, and we should avoid touching our nose or face frequently. Now we will move towards the effects of the lockdown which has taken place on the pollution. The amount of the pollution decreased day by day in all countries. As the lockdown is there, the movement of the people from one place to another has been stopped. So the pollution which was done due to the vehicles and the cars and the motorcycles has been stopped. This as the pollution is reduced, this will help the people to live a healthy and long life. As the industries are also not working, the pollution has decreased. The most amazing news for the world is that the ozone layer has started healing itself. The lockdown will result in the better days for whole environment. The most affected countries of the countries which are most affected due to the coronavirus are India. Means firstly the coronavirus was started from China, so China, India, UK, America, Spain, Italy, and many other. But in these countries the patients of corona are more. Now I will give you some information about India. The condition of India before lockdown was that as the India is second largest populated country in the world, the needs of the people are also more. So to fulfill all these needs, the amount of the industries and other things in this country are more. So the pollution in this country is also more. So as it is developing country and we are moving towards the developed stage, we are now becoming techno savvy. So to produce all the techno savvy things and the materials, the big industries are working on a huge level. This results in the large amount of pollution. So in our country, Delhi is the most polluted country, polluted city. Also the water pollution in our country is more. But due to the people in our country, we dump the garbage in the seas and oceans. This harms aquatic life more. The more amount of pollution in our country takes place in our cultural festivals. It means Diwali, we burst the firecrackers, so the air pollution is more. In Ganesh Chaturthi, the sound pollution is done. The air pollution is a very serious health issue in our country. The people get affected due to the with the diseases such as dama and asthma due to the air pollution and the poisonous gases which are laid due to the industries. It is said that almost 80% of the water bodies in India are highly polluted. So, after the lockdown, these conditions will not remain as it is. Global deaths related to the exposure to the air pollution, all of the pandemic proportion with the 7 million deaths every year. There are very high levels of respiratory diseases among young children, such as asthma, as I already told. Now we will talk about the causes, the condition of our country after the lockdown, which is going now also. So we all are investing in a cleaner future. As the lockdown is there, the people are not wandering here and there. So uh, the places are not getting dirty, and our public places are also remaining clean. As the transportation and the industries are also not working, the air pollution has also decreased. The lockdown due to coronavirus also presents India with the opportunity to invest in a clean future. But when these things are under control, we need to move towards the renewable energy faster. Also, many news shows that the Himalayan range is also now visible clearly because of the reduced amount of the air pollution. Now, following are the some other important reasons of increasing level of water pollution in India: industrial waste, improper practices in agricultural sector, reduction in the water quality in the plains. Now, I request my partner to continue further.
So now we will discuss about the causes before lockdown in United Kingdom. So high level pollution caused by dust that has been blown from Sahara Desert. So the main air pollution in UK is caused due to the air which is blown from the Sahara Desert, and these dust episodes cause severe lung conditions and lung diseases to the people living over there. Other sources of air pollution includes volcanoes, sea spread pollen and soil. So apart from Saharan desert or the air blown from Sahara desert, volcanoes, sea spread pollen and soil are the other sources of air pollution, and it is considered as the major health issue. So the air pollution caused due to the Saharan desert, pollen and soil, many of the health issues are caused due to this reason. So cities like London are mostly polluted cities. So London is a very big city, so it is one of the most polluted cities. So the major causes of diseases such as asthma and lung disease. So the air pollution spreading over in UK causes various diseases such as lung diseases and asthma, and also sometimes it causes strokes and heart diseases. And due to such air pollution, premature deaths are also seen in UK, and the premature deaths are about 8.3% of the whole deaths. So it is a very severe condition and a very bizarre situation over there. So the government is now planning also to ban the sales of fossil fuels, as fossil fuels cause a great more air pollution and is one of the pollutant in of air pollution. So now according to the researchers, 44 cities are the mostly affected due to pollution. Also now sewage wastewater. So the water waste from industrial and domestic processes. So there are more number of industries in UK. So the effluents which are thrown out from industries causes water pollution. Environment Agency data reveals the sewage water and sewage industry are most affected to water. That is, the water pollution is mostly due to the sewage water and sewage industry. Now river dumping can also harm wildlife and increase risk of flooding. So even the effluents or the plastic or the garbages are dumped in the river, which can cause the wildlife and also the marine life of the water and also can cause flooding. So marine dumping is illegal under UK legislation. Now the UK has declared marine dumping as a severe crime. So next is agricultural pollution. So the agriculture industry covers 76%. That is 76% of the UK is covered by agricultural industries. So the disposal of sheep dip, tillage, plowing of land, use of pesticides and fertilizers. So the more and more use of pesticides and fertilizers are causing pollution of agriculture over there. Next is oil pollution. So every year these are about 3,000 pollution incidents involving oil and fuel. So every year 3,000 pollution incidents are due to the oil spills from the ships and fuels from the ships, and also fuels are fuel spilled out from the ships. Now the oil spillages affects water quality in number of ways. So the water quality of the sea or the ocean is decreased due to the spread of oil or other fuels, as it stops the entry of oxygen, due to which the marine life also gets disturbed, and it also can make drinking water unsafe. Next is the causes after lockdown in United Kingdom. So the country was leading economical in the world, but due to pollution it had a great downfall in its economy. So the industries cover, as we saw, that 76% are agricultural industries, and it is one of the developed country. But after this lockdown all those industries are stopped, and because of this the economy has reduced to a very great extent, and the huge decrease in pollution in UK, as we can see that oil spillages, wastewater and dumping of garbages in river has been stopped during these days, due to which the pollution has decreased in a great level. Due to lockdown the industries and their waste has been stopped, and also the industries has been stopped working, due to which the effluents which were been dumped into the rivers and other sources has also been stopped, which has caused decrease in water pollution and also air pollution. So it results great impact on the environment, and as the pollution has decreased, the environment has also become a very good place to live in, and people are getting to, and according to Prof. James Lee, the these days is the people are getting to inhale the most healthiest air. Now we'll discuss about the causes before lockdown in Italy. So Italy is a very small country, and the population of Italy is also not very large, but the amount of pollution which is spread by Italy as compared to its population is very large. So hence the various industries, the amount of air pollution is also more, because Italy is the center of many industries. Now, major environmental issues currently facing Italy include air pollution from energy and heating. So the major air pollution there is caused due to energy and heating. Italy is emblematic of country issues concerning industrial emissions. So many of the industries emissions or the effluent which has poured down into the rivers is getting higher day by day. So it wasn't until the spring of 2017, from time of discovery in 2013, the contamination crisis was tackled, involving health, environmental, political and legal authorities. So the most polluting of them are the city sewage and industrial waste discharged into the river. So the main water pollution is caused due to the industries and the city sewage, as the people there dump many of their waste into the rivers, and the industries also discharge their polluted water into the river. Now we'll discuss about the causes after lockdown in Italy. So the effect on local and regional air pollution are becoming apparent. That is, the amount of traffic on road is decreased, the amount of industries which were been working there, so the people have stopped working in industries, due to which the level of pollution due to the spread by due to the industries and also due to the vehicles on the road has been decreased. Hence the air pollution has also decreased. Italy comparison between 31st January and 15 March 2020, while question of improved air quality. That is, if we see the data research from 31st January to 15 March, the level of air pollution, water pollution, and also other pollution has decreased suddenly in Italy due to this lockdown. So the air pollution in Italy has been decreased these days. So we can see that the air pollution has also decreased in Italy. Thank you.
Now let's talk about the superpower of the world, that is United States of America. Even though America is one of the most developed countries in the world, it has some of the most polluted cities. The levels of nitrogen has dropped by 30% due to lockdown. It is the lowest monthly atmospheric nitrogen dioxide levels of any March during the NASA's satellite data record beginning in 2005. Due to lesser traffic, emission of carbon monoxide has fallen more than 50% below the normal level in New York City. Also, it is to be noted that the level of fog in Los Angeles has also fallen down.
Hi, myself Rushikesh Gaikwad. I am from C Division. My roll number is C14. Now we see the next country. The next country is China. We see the situation before the lockdown in China and the situation after the lockdown in China. Firstly, we see the situation before the lockdown in China. We all know that China is the biggest population country in the world, and because of this the pollution in the China is very large. China is the country in which the highest number of industry all over the world. In their manufacturing, packaging, very types of industry are there, and due to this there will be more pollution increase, and this pollution can be create more harm to the China. To prevent from this pollution for low quality air, they will be use mask like products. In the urban areas of China, there will be heavy traffic, and this increase the permanent hazy layer all around the city. In the article of US Environmental Protection Agency in China, there will be 136 million ton waste gathered in China. It is a very big tragedy. Many industries in China generates hazardous waste for mining, petroleum, refining, etc. type of. Now we see the situation after lockdown in China. The first point is, after lockdown, the link between air pollution and premature death has been decreased in China. According to the US article, coronavirus lockdown likely saved 77,000 of lives in China just by reducing pollution. There will be most pollution occurred from industry and vehicles, and due to lockdown this all pollution decreased, and according to study known that there will be primary cause of death from air pollution. Due to this lockdown in China has made some progress in tackling the pollution. According to the one article, the air quality of China is increased due to lockdown, and it will be up to 21.5% in February. Next is satellite image released by NASA and European Space Agency also shows a domestic reduction in nitrogen dioxide emission, this released by vehicles, power plants, etc. Also the map shows that the PM 2.5 nitrate fell in China after the government impact travel restrictions. It shows that China had a very good impact of this lockdown in pollution. Thank you. Next slide will be explained by my friends.
Hello friends, myself Farajvardhan Kamble. As we all know that we are locked inside. I cannot say that the whole world is locked, because only humans are locked because of COVID-19. Now the humans are understanding that if we harm the nature can also harm. Here I am to tell you something about the country Spain. Spain is a beautiful country to travel to visit. Some of you might also, but the fact is it's also polluted because of global warming as climate change is one of the biggest issues which Spain is facing through. 49% of air is polluted in Spain because of the industries. Air gets polluted by burning waste material. Uh, Air gets polluted by burning waste materials. Also, the industries are polluting the water by chemicals. The pollution uh, caused by airborne particles is PM10 and PM2. In urban areas where the greatest portion of the population is because of road traffic. Now the situation has been changed. Sulfur dioxide has decreased, air pollution and water pollution has decreased. It has also affected the economic stability of the country.
To conclude, I would like to say, due to coronavirus pandemic, billions of people have been told to stay home. It has also given people living in most polluted cities something they haven't experienced in decades: clean air and pollution-free environment. Major cities that suffer the worst air pollution have seen reductions by 60% as compared to previous year. Decrease in traffic as well as commercial and industrial activities due to COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in temporary decrease in pollution.